Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Make sure your iPad is unlocked and on the same Wi-Fi as the device you're connected to. Once done, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. You'll see a screen mirroring or Airplay icon. It looks like a rectangle with a triangle. Tap it now to view the active connection. This begins the disconnect flow. Doing it here prevents repeated casting or background audio from continuing. You should now see the list of available devices and the one currently active. Tap that device name to reveal options. Choose Stop Mirroring to end a screen share, or pick this iPad to route content back to the tablet. If you're only sending audio, use the Audio Playback widget in Control Center and tap the Airplay target to switch outputs. Make sure to confirm the indicator on the iPad shows local playback before closing Control Center. Finish by checking that the Airplay or screen mirroring icon is no longer highlighted. That confirms the session ended. If it didn't stop, restart Wi-Fi on the iPad or power cycle the receiver. That usually clears stuck sessions. If problems persist, sign out of the receiver or toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Sometimes iPad holds a handoff link. One key troubleshooting tip: rebooting the receiving device resolves most lingering connections without altering iPad settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.